In this tip of the week, we will look at how to organize your gradebook. Assignment columns are automatically added every time you create and publish assignments, graded discussions, and graded quizzes and surveys. The columns will generate from left to right based on the order that they are created under assignments. Note that if an assignment is unpublished, it will not appear as a column in the gradebook. When you republish the assignment, it reappears in the gradebook. Once again, by default, your column will generate all the way on the right. To reorder columns, hover over the column header you want to move until you see the hand cursor. Then click and hold to drag and drop the column where you want it. Gradebook columns are persistent, meaning that the columns will stay in the order that they are arranged. The only change will be the addition of the new column on the right as new assignments are created and published. To change the size of the columns, hover your cursor over between the columns until you see the resize cursor. You can hide a column by dragging the cursor so that the column becomes small and disappears. And then you can make the column reappear by dragging the cursor back out. Assignments will default to your main assignment group unless you decide to add more assignment groups. You may choose to create assignment groups for one of two reasons: to drop the lowest grade for a particular type of assignment, or to weight your grades instead of using points. Click the Add Group button to create assignment groupings and press Save when you're done. You can then move already created assignments into the appropriate assignment group by clicking and dragging, or by using the drop-down arrow to the right of the assignment, selecting Move To, and changing the assignment group. In your gradebook, you will notice that the arrangement of the assignments did not change. You still have to click and drag to change them here. You will also notice additional columns in the gradebook that align with the assignment groups that you created. This does not mean that the totals are weighted unless you selected to do so. In order to see the total score as points instead of a percent, hover over the column title and click the drop-down menu arrow and select Switch to Points. In the gradebook, you can also rearrange your views by clicking on the column title. For example, if you click the total title, it will rearrange from the lowest score to the highest score, ignoring the test student. You can do the same with quizzes, papers, assignments, and even look at an individual assignment. You can click the student name to rearrange them alphabetically. If you do want to weight the percentages in the gradebook, go to the Assignments tab and click the gear settings icon. Click on Assignment Groups Weight and check the box to weight final grade based on assignment groups. You then have the option to enter the percentages as desired. You can always go back to Assignment Groups Weight and uncheck the box to remove weighted assignments. Your gradebook will now once again calculate to points. Now that you have assignment groups, if you want to drop the lowest score, you can click on the gear settings icon for the module, edit, go to number of scores to ignore for each student, select 1, and that will drop the lowest paper score. You will see that there is the rule set that indicates it is ready to drop the lowest score. Thank you for watching this tip of the week. For more information, please review the following guides.